Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a plant to our favorites list in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app, and here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just tap on search, and here if we look for, or if we browse the plants, we can find one that we like. And then if we would like to have this or buy this later, in the top right corner there is a little heart icon. We can tap on this, and then the plant is going to be added to our wish list. And we can check our wish list here in the top right corner in this little heart icon. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.